Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new around here, hi, I'm Janine from Happy Stylish Fit, where I help mamas like you live a healthy, happy, and stylish lifestyle through all sorts of tips and tricks here on video, on the blog, and on social media. So if you're not following along already, make sure to give me a follow, connect with me. It's at Happy Stylish Fit. I will leave it somewhere here for you guys. You can follow along, learn some extra tips, and relate to different motherhood life. So for today's video, you can probably guess it is a January Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. So again, if you've been following along, you will know I am obsessed with this box. It is my absolute favorite subscription service because not only are essential oils wonderful, but you're going to get with every month for those oils plus 6 DIY recipes. So you're going to learn how to actually use them, which I think is great. When I first got into oils, it was to find a substitute for scented candles because they're super toxic and not good for you. If you didn't know that, please go look into it. They're really not good for you. Of course, there's some exceptions with some nice soy candles with wood wicks. But anyway, I was looking for a replacement, so I just used them to diffuse and really had no idea the power that essential oils had until about a year later when I started getting the Simply Earth subscription box. And through their DIY recipes, some extra research, and doing this for you guys and sharing tips with you, I've really learned how awesome they are through applying them topically with different roll-ons. You can create different sugar scrubs, face serums, all sorts of things. Like, it's really so much fun getting into all of this. So let's just hop into it because I'm starting to ramble. So this month is all about skincare, which I'm so excited about. I want you guys to stay tuned. In 2 weeks, I am going to have a in-depth blog post with a bunch of different recipes, both from here and some other ones of my own. And the essential oils that we're going to use for that today. I apologize if the lighting keeps going off. It's like a cloudy, windy day. And okay, we have Farewell Scars. That is going to be great for obviously helping with scars. I think it'll be really good for helping with stretch marks. It has a really nice scent. So it's using a blend of myrrh, helichrysum, I'm sure I'm not pronouncing that correctly, lavender, rosemary, and lemon. So, I love the smell of rosemary. That's probably what I'm picking up. Okay, I'm gonna adjust the lighting again. Okay, then we also have myrrh. And this I've seen around a lot, but I don't know too much about it. I know that it is calming and is good for the skin. Has kind of a woodsy kind of scent. Then we have Ravensara, which I just love the name of. I hadn't heard of this, but it really falls in line with the theme of the other oils of the box in that it is calming, uplifting, and helps with the skin in some sort of way. See, this light just keeps going off. Then we have Bergamot, which I am obsessed with. I love citrusy scents. And this one is so good. And so again, it's uplifting, it's calming, and it is good for the skin. And it smells amazing. This is great for diffusing. You can mix it with other citrus blends or citrus oils, or it goes good with woodsy ones. Stay tuned on my stories. I'll keep diffusing this throughout the month, and I'll show you some different ways to do that. Then we also have some fixins for the recipes. We have a little mold, so I'm going to assume this is a little soap mold. Some tapioca pearls. Sorry, it's like making a little rattle noise. And then we have 2 little chapstick tubes. So I have a few of these in my bonus box, which I'll tell you guys about later. And I haven't had a chance to make anything with them yet, so I'm excited to give these a whirl. Then our different recipes that we're going to use all this stuff for is a skin healing booster roll-on. So that's using Farewell Scars and myrrh and a carrier oil. So again, I bet you that's going to be really good for stretch marks and of course any other scars. a calming and uplifting body butter. So that's going to be nice to make. That uses the Ravensara bergamot and some other carrier oils. The lip balms. So it's going to use Farewell Scars and some different carrier oils and beeswax, which is all included in the big bonus box. Skin Renewal Sugar Scrub. So that's going to use Ravensara, bergamot, and Farewell Scars. And one thing I've learned through Simply Earth, sugar scrubs are so easy to make. So if you love your sugar scrubs and having that little self-care time, it's super easy to make using the oils you love. It's just some sugar, carrier oil, and essential oils. So we'll get to do that one. Relaxing Textured Massage Bar. So this is what we're going to use our little container for. And we're using myrrh, Ravensara, and some coconut oil beeswax, and these tapioca pearls. And a Confidence Diffuser Blend. So this uses a mix of bergamot and Ravensara, and I bet that's going to smell amazing. So those are all of our recipes for this month. We have the roll-on, body butter, lip balm, sugar scrub, massage bar, and diffuser blend. So these are going to be a lot of fun to make. Okay, so I just want to give you a quick rundown of what you can expect if you sign up for Simply Earth. So it's $39.99. You can sign up monthly or quarterly, and you can always skip a month if you want. So there's a lot of flexibility there. Every month you're going to receive the 4 oils, 6 recipes, and all the little fixins you're going to need to make them, which is awesome. So when you sign up, you use the code HSFFREE, which I will leave here and in the notes down below. And with that, you're going to receive a $20 gift card, which you can use in the shop. So I recommend getting some extra carrier oils with that, or maybe you have a different essential oil that you've really had your eyes on. You can use that gift card for that and just add it to your next shipment, which is awesome. And then what's really great about the coupon code is that you're going to receive the big bonus box. So with that, you're going to get some carrier oils, some roll-on bottles, all different sorts of bottles, beeswax, everything you're going to need to make all of these recipes for the next 6 months. So Simply Earth really has you covered with everything you're going to need, and not only are you going to expand your essential oil collection, by so much, it's really incredible. You're also going to learn how to actually use these essential oils, which is great. So that's what you get with that. I am going to stop before I start rambling even more, but please stay tuned in 2 weeks for that essential oil skincare blog post where I'm going to share some of these recipes as well as some of my own for how you can use essential oils for your skincare to keep that face looking pretty. And there we go. That's it. If you haven't already and you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on social media at Happy Stylish Fit, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.